market opened 4 minutes ago, ladies and gents. Let's go ahead and put it over here. I honestly, the SMT put in, Asian swept already pre-market, London getting swept now. Either way, really anything can happen. Really anything. I'd like to catch maybe a long back up here. If we could. That would be nice. And then we also have 4-hour EQ that we have not hit yet. Of this down leg. So I'm hella cold. I'm throwing on a fucking hoodie. I'm always cold. I don't know why I choose, like, especially in this shirt, bro. Come on. Great Friday. Today's my mom's birthday. She is officially an old lady. Just kidding. I love her to death. Dude, I gotta turn some of these damn lights off, bro. It's just like, there's too much just going on right now. I don't like it. I like my purple light and my one light, dude. I hate having all these goddamn lights on. Yeah, this is mojo mode right here, okay? This is mojo mode, alright? This is mojo fucking mojo jojo mode. I'm sorry, guys. It's probably dark, but this is how I like it. I can just completely focus. Yeah, we're just dumping. Just go on the hourly. Another SMT getting put in. A huge SMT. So if we do want to be bullish, I'm going to be looking for trades on the S&P, on NASDAQ, I mean. Let's see the daily move. Yeah, so let's, normally most of the time, we honestly would want to do something like this. We haven't made a daily up candle yet, so kind of rough. But if we take it from here, yeah, we've already hit EQ of this. Oh, duh, that was the dumbest shit I could have ever done. From here, though, we haven't had a up close candle yet, but I can do 4-hour move from here to here, which is kind of in this gap, and you see we haven't moved back towards it yet. Not really any news either. If we look, we have consumer sentiment at 10. We have inflation expectations, which this I assume that will cause it to dump, obviously. So just the draws are just so fucking just insane as hell. Like, oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, like, I mean, I kind of marked out the significant draws. We have some stacked lows right here. Previous last Friday, no, 25th. The 25th. And then we have like this low all the way to here. So I assume at 10 a.m. if we do want to be bullish, we'll just literally continue to dump. Because we've just been dumping literally for like 2 weeks straight. Dumping for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. We are getting decent though. But now, I mean, honestly, I would have wanted to see. That's why I kind of think we're going to be bullish. So we open and we immediately dump. Normally, like if it's. Normally, which way the first liquidity we take is normally where we move opposite from. If you can see, we came up, moved up to take some liquidity, and then we continue moving down. To then move up, take liquidity, continue moving down. So, and now we've instantly opened and are taking sell side. So, we will see, I guess. Ow, fuck. I got like a fucking cold sore right here. Right fucking here. Okay. Now it looks like we want to move up. Take out these lows as well. A 5-minute breaks right there. Broken structure on the 1 minute. A 15-minute break of structure is also at the same kind of leg. A 15 and 5-minute break, yeah. So that's awesome. That's what we love to see. This 1 minute gap. I have a 1 minute break of structure as well. And my price targets are, honestly though, I'd want to wait to see a break of structure. This is a 5 and 15-minute break of structure. So then I'd like to see some kind of 5-minute retrace, internal manipulation to then confirm that we do want to go higher. Because we have a bunch of just stacked up buy side. Or we could even just move to this and then continue dumping. So it depends. Let's see how we react off this 1 minute gap here. Because if we inverse the 1 minute gap, I'd be willing to long off that. Inverse gaps are really strong confluences. But it is just a little bit early for me. So I'm going to wait and try to catch that big move. And we also have 5-minute right here. It's kind of tiny, but order block. Okay, so we are respecting the 1 minute. Let's see if we can tap back into this order block. 1 minute break. But we also, I still need to see a couple things, so. Could tap back into the order block. No. Okay. And we're not opening any bullish gaps. So. Okay, but on the S&P, we just inverse this gap. So on the S&P, this gap just got inversed. Technically not really, but it did. This candle completely closes above. Okay. Once again, 5 and a 15-minute break of structure. There's the exact same. We also have this 5 minute. 5 minute bearish gap. Do we have the 5 minute on NASDAQ? Yeah, okay, perfect. So let's see how we react off this 5 minute. Hopefully. Yeah, I'd like to see us honestly come down. Break of structure, if we could come down, break of structure, form a gap, tap back into it, or run through this gap and then tap back into order block or something here would be nice. Because we have a tiny, tiny order block. Tiniest order cock. And now we are hitting the bearish gap. And we're going to, okay. Alright, well. We don't really have a buy side sweep though. There's literally no, I mean this. What did we sweep here? Oh, Asian highs get swept. Okay, I didn't realize that. Alright. Are we just gonna be bearish? But we took out. No, I think we're gonna tap into this order block. See how the price reacts off that. Yeah. We look. Where orders getting filled. Okay, okay. This is the play, I believe. Skadoozer. Okay, we have now tapped the order block and are rejecting off of that. Because on the 1 minute, we inverse the gap just to play around in it. To tap into this 5 minute bearish. Tap into this bearish 5 minute and then continue. Yeah, I mean, it's also a 15-minute break as well, so. Some baby want me to be here someday. I wish I could play music on here, but I just can't. Shout out all the people that are watching in the Discord. Nobody. Yeah, it's okay though. Bro, like genuinely, there's a decent amount of people in there, and nobody joins when I go live. It's all good though. Okay, it looks like we actually inversed. No, nothing. Okay. This, I mean, that's not even a gap. That's literally, yeah, it's like the top of this that's the tiniest gap ever in life. We are rejecting heavy off order block though. We are rejecting heavy off this bullish order block. But then we're also just, now we're bouncing in between this imbalance and this order block, so might not be the play today, guys. Might not be a trade for me today if we're just going to bounce in between two imbalances or two high confluence areas. Once again tapping order block. Okay, this could be our internal manipulation though. That's probably our internal manipulation leg. Okay, good. Come down and take that out. Did we? Not really. SMT. No, not at all, really. Oh yeah, kind of. No, not at all. Swept those. Can that be our internal manipulation to move higher, please? Please. Now can we see a Judas swing to the upside, Bubba? That would be nice. Because I honestly believe, bro. Okay. Let's inverse this bearish gap. Let's inverse the bearish gap to tap into a imbalance to then break structure and flood to the upside. That's what I'd like to see here. Ooh, I gotta piss, dude. I gotta piss. I'm out of coffee too, bro. I'm out of coffee too. I cannot believing this. I cannot. All right. First 15-minute candle here. Are we about to displace through this? No, we literally just keep tapping into the order block, okay? 1 minute break, inversing the gap. Okay. And now a 5-minute break would be here. So now the bearish index. Okay, inversing this 5-minute. We're about to inverse this 5-minute and we have a break of structure. Okay, I could see something form here. Okay. We have a minute until that forms. Let's see if we inverse any gaps. We have this 1 minute. If we can inverse both of these gaps, that'd be fucking beautiful. That would be beautiful, bruv. No, just tapped into the gap and now we're bouncing again. Tapping into this bearish gap. Dude, I have to piss so bad. It's really not even that bad, though. I'm kind of just being a little crybaby bitch. Okay. So we have 16 seconds. We could break structure, but also we have double gaps right here. So this candle down, this is a good fair value gap there because it's on this leg down, taking out liquidity. So, okay, let's see how the next candle opens. Bearish. Yeah, this is just no trade Friday is what it is looking like. We are bouncing between, this whole time we formed this 15-minute, and now I are literally just I mean, shorts honestly would be the play here. Okay. Flipped bullish. Okay, this is just great. Okay. Okay. What do we want to do here? This is just fan-fucking-tastic. We now are about to create a 15-minute gap in 4 minutes. Not even. Let's see if we've inversed anything on the 1 minute. Kind of inverse this 1 minute gap here. Just kind of, and now we're doing the exact same shit. Bouncing off a order block. Yippee doo dah. This is, wow. Look at this, bro. We are literally bouncing off an order block and a bearish gap. And it looks like, okay, we've broke 5-minute structure. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. We've broke 5-minute and 1-minute structure to the upside. But if we can, okay. Yippee, okay. This might be the play here. Let's inverse this 1 minute. Inverse this 1 minute. Inverse this. We have liquidity right here. We have a 5-minute break. Stop below the fair value gap. We have this gap right here too. Let's see if we have any higher time frame gaps. Not really. Yeah, nothing. So this is good. Yeah, nothing. Perfect. We're not inversing the 1 minute though. We could inverse this 5-minute. Technically, see how this candle closes, or see if where we get above on the 1 minute. 1 minute break. We have a 5-minute break. It looks like we're maintaining. So far, maintaining on the 1 minute. I kind of want to see us get above this candle though. Yeah, boy. Okay, and now we're just moving down. Okay. $10 a.m. candle opens in 1 minute. 30 seconds, actually. Let's see how this 10 a.m. candle opens. Oh, this is also the consumer shit's about to come out. No, why would I want to do that? now it put trading view over here. Let's not do that. Jesus Christ. Why would I, like, what? Okay. If we can get a nice gushy push to the upside, that'd be nice. Oh, we won't. And now consumer sentiment just came out. Oh, pending. Let's see. Pending. Open it, bub. Okay, so if it's greater than, that's good. Oh, yeah, we're bearish. We're dumping. We're gonna dump. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, 1 minute break of structure to the downside. If we can, damn, man. Also could just be internal to move. Damn. That should really be everything. We shouldn't really... Oh yeah, we're just shitting the bed, Fred. Shitting the bed on the S&P? Oh my god, we've just been playing. Dude, I gotta use the bathroom so bad. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up on my phone, guys. I'll be right back. I need to use the bathroom. Okay. Can we see a push? Okay, 1 minute. We have opened this 1 minute bearish gap. Internal manipulation right here. This could be, bam. We have 5 minute breaks here. Yeah, I honestly feel like we could do, if we can inverse. No, inverse the gap. Here we've already wicked into it and continue to move lower. Yeah, okay, and we are, yeah, and we have this gap that we've now. Alright, so I'm either, yeah, dude, this is just fucked. One minute or 5 minute breaks right here. Alright, I don't want to post a super long video, so I'm gonna pause until, like, to let you guys know. For now, I'm not trading today. I'm not trading anything. Bouncing between two gaps. We've now opened a 15 minute. We could see a tap into this 15 minute to then continue lower. If we do, I'd like to see that for shorts, but if not, it's not really a big deal. I'm not really worried. It's just the fact that we're just literally playing around between these gaps, bro. If we hit the order block again and then just continue to chop, bro, this is just nuts, dude. Alright. I'm going to pause until I see a trade form, okay? Love you guys. Mwah. Probably no trade for me. If I don't trade, this is the end of the video. If I do trade, you'll see something more after this. Okay, I think the longs formed here. Hold up. Yeah, we have SMT too. Okay. And we took out that bearish SMT, so now we have this as the bearish internal manipulation. Okay. Inverse gap. I want to go ahead and enter on this. 5 minute break here. Wait. No, we've broken 5 minute. Okay, maybe a 1 minute retrace then. We can come and tap into this. Or if we break above this, I'm entering. Okay. was to tap back into this 5-minute bearish gap. Oh my god. Bro, what is this price action, bro? This is just fucking dookie dog liver shit, bro. This is trash as fuck. Okay. Oh my brother. Holy moly, dude. I don't even know if, like, we're still just doing the same shit, bro. We're just doing the same shit. We have S&T, though, put in. I'm not even about to mark that shit. Look at that. That's the S&T there. We did inverse this 1 minute, too. Low key, bro. I should have entered on the inverse to here, to this liquidity. That would have been a good trade. Maybe we'll come back down here. An EQ entry would be trim. Which is right in this gap. That's what I want to see. Or not. We're just gonna. Okay. I'm in. That was so fucking loud. Oh my god. Bro, oh my god. That was the loudest shit ever. Yo, turn that shit off. Holy fucking moly. Bro, no way. Oh, nice. You've opened the 5 minute. not even a real 5-minute, bro. Wow, just inversed this gap. Dude, holy shit. Come take out this low, maybe. Fuck. Yes. Perfect. Awesome. Stay above this. Stay above that low. Stay above it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good fucking boy. Okay. Come on, dude. I don't know, dude. Should I just be off? If I'm questioning myself, I probably should just get off. Because we're literally still just bouncing between two confluence areas. We've now manipulated the low though and put in SMT. Come on, dude. 5-minute breaks here. Yeah, this is just crazy, bro. Trying to wait for confirmation and it's just not coming. Okay. God damn it, now we put in a... Bro, oh my god. This is nuts, bro. This is nuts. I'm about to upload an hour-long video. Dude, and we are literally just bouncing between two. This is crazy, bro. Can we, like, break fucking structure and, like, move somewhere, maybe? Or are we just gonna just choke our dick all fucking morning? Looks like choking our dick's the culprit. Okay, break structure, please, bro. Sipping metal, sipping on gin and juice, yeah. This is just, honestly, just shit dick ass price action. Shitty dick, shitty booty dick ass price action. Shitty booty ass dick ass price action. It's 5 minutes. Are we gonna tap it? Oh my god, bro. Bro, come on. Oh my fucking god, dude. This is pissing me the fuck off, bro. Get these fucking executions off my screen. Jesus, fuck me, bro. Okay, tap the 5 minute. Yes, 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 yes. No, inverse it. Okay, oh my god, bro. Or are we gonna come down to tap this? This would be nice. This is what we like. Okay, we could come down to tap this to tap EQ of that 1 minute move. Inverse the 5 minute to, bro, this is AIDS as fuck. Legitimately AIDS as fuck. No, this 1 minute candle already formed. We'll see on the one. Okay, we whipped into this. Alright, that's nice. Yippee fucking doodah. We're not going to hit EQ, but we did hit the 1 minute. We've inversed this now. We'll see how this candle forms, though. Dude, I don't even, like, want to fucking even trade, like, low-key, bro. Because this is just... This is just strange, PA. The most, like, nutty price action I've ever seen. Nice. Just ran over my charger. Poggy. Okay, so... Sorry, guys. You must be done. Okay. Okay. We've tapped into this. Almost hit EQ. Okay. I just, man, I don't know. Lost $11. Okay. Can we break 1 minute structure? We've now tapped this bullish gap. This is a 1 minute though. And kind of EQ of the move. It's just like bearish gap, bro. It's really all it is, man. Okay. Wicked into this tiny 1 minute. This ain't looking good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. We've literally just been nice. SMT taken out. Inverse this on the NASDAQ. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Bullish gap was filled. That's not even a real gap. This is ridiculous. This is stupid. This bullish gap here was filled, and this is EQ of this move from here to here. EQ, bam. Okay. Bro, which is like we are going to fucking move to hit this shit, bro. I know that we are. There's no way that we fucking don't, bro. Bro, this is just so fun. Another 1 minute SMT. This is just painful to watch, bro. Alright, gonna do the same thing. If I don't see anything, this is the end of the video. I love you guys. No trade for me today. Losing, I mean, I guess I lost 11 bucks. I entered and got stopped out at break even instantly. Yeah, I love you guys. I'm off here. Like I said, if I take something, I'll let you know, but this is ridiculous, bro. It's 10:30 now, and I know this trade's gonna play out, so I'm gonna sit here, but this is so stupid.